Today, we're talking about AI agents, these crazy smart digital helpers that are basically taking over the world in 2025. They're not just your average chatbots anymore. They're out here thinking, planning, and getting stuff done like your own personal superhero sidekick. So, grab a snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's unpack what AI agents are all about, why they're blowing up, how to build them fast, who's talking about them, and where this tech is headed. Oh, and we'll touch on some spicy stuff like job insecurities and superintelligence. Ready? Let's do this! All right, first up, what even is an AI agent? Picture this. It's like a super smart app that doesn't just answer your questions, but actually figures out what needs to be done and does it. These agents can perceive what's going on, reason through problems, make decisions, and act, sometimes across multiple apps or systems. We're talking about the fundamentals here: perception, reasoning, action, and memory. They use big brain tech like large language models and frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, or AutoGen make it all tick. Think of it like giving your AI a toolbox and a game plan, so it can handle everything from simple tasks to crazy complex projects. It's wild. Let me give you a quick example of how these agents think. Say you've got a customer service AI agent dealing with a delayed package. It doesn't just say, sorry, it's late. Nope. It digs into the order history, checks logistics data, decides if it needs to reroute the package, and then emails the customer and pings the warehouse, all on its own. That's agentic reasoning and decision-making in action, breaking down big problems step by step like a pro. Or imagine a trading bot scanning the stock market, spotting trends, making trades, and tweaking its strategy in real time to avoid losses. It's like having a Wall Street genius in your pocket. Now, let's explore 7 types of AI agents: simple reflex, model-based reflex, goal-based, utility-based, learning, multi-agent systems, and hierarchical. Here's a clear breakdown of each. Simple reflex agents react instantly to their environment using preset rules. Think of a thermostat turning on the heater when it's cold. Fast but limited. No memory or planning. Model-based reflex agents are smarter, using an internal world model to track unseen factors. Like a self-driving car, remembering the road layout to make better decisions. Goal-based agents focus on achieving objectives. They plan actions to reach a goal, like a chess A, thinking moves ahead to win. Utility-based agents aim for the best outcome using a scoring system. A navigation app picking the fastest route is a perfect example. Learning agents improve over time with experience. Think of streaming platforms suggesting better shows as you watch more. Multi-agent systems involve multiple AI agents collaborating or competing. Picture drones mapping an area together, or agents negotiating prices. Hierarchical agents organize tasks like a company hierarchy. High-level agents plan, while lower-level ones execute, like in a robotic warehouse. So, who are the rock stars of AI agents in 2025? There's some serious heavy hitters out there. Devon AI from Cognition Labs is killing it, coding and debugging entire software projects by itself. Salesforce's Agentforce is a beast for automating business tasks, while Microsoft Copilot Studio is your go-to for making office life a breeze. Then you've got Google Gemini agents, which are all up in Google's ecosystem, handling multimodal tasks like a champ, and Claude by Anthropic, a coder's dream for reliable, customizable agents. Oh, and don't sleep on Lindy AI for no-code workflows or HubSpot Breeze for sales. Those are game changers for startups and big companies alike. These agents are out here running the show. Want to build your own AI agent? Yo, it's easier than you think. You don't need to be a coding wizard anymore. Platforms like N8N let you drag, drop, and connect tools to whip up an agent in minutes. If you're a bit techie, LangChain or Crew AI can have you prototyping in no time with pre-built goodies for memory and tools. Mind Studio's got over 100 templates for visual building, 0 coding required. And with stuff like Copilot Kit or Salesforce Agent Builder, you can define your agent's job, train it, and deploy it in like 30 minutes flat. Pro move? Learn a bit of Python, add some RAG for accuracy, and you're building agents that can book your flights or crunch data like it's nothing. Okay, let's get a little out there with AI Agentic Farms. It's like a sci-fi setup where you've got fleets of AI agents farming data and automating workflows 24/7. Platforms like AgenticFarms.com and Agent Farm AI are pulling insights from all kinds of sources to supercharge businesses. It's like farming, but for data and real farms. Wild, right? Then we've got Agentic Swarms. Think of a bunch of AI agents teaming up like bees, no boss needed. Frameworks like OpenAI's Swarm or Relevance AI let these agents collab on big goals, like running research or logistics, without missing a beat. It's inspired by Swarm Robotics, and it's basically the ultimate teamwork for AI. You've got specialized agents handling their own thing, but together, they're unstoppable. So, where are these agents actually being used? Everywhere. Customer service agents are handling queries from start to finish. In software dev, stuff like Devin is coding and deploying projects solo. Healthcare's using them for threat detection and patient monitoring. Finance is catching fraud. Logistics is streamlining supply chains. Sales teams are getting leads. Gamers are getting dynamic worlds. And researchers are speeding through data. It's like AI agents are the Swiss Army knife of tech right now. But hold up. Big power, big responsibility. That's where guardrails come in. These are like the safety nets that keep AI agents from going off the rails. Tools like Guardrails AI and NVIDIA's Nemo guardrails make sure outputs are legit and ethical. You've got to validate inputs, check for biases, and keep things compliant, or you're risking some rogue AI chaos. Trust me, don't skip the guardrails. It's how you keep things safe and fair. Now, let's talk future. What's next for AI agents? By 2025 and beyond, multi-agent systems are going to be huge, changing how businesses and even governments operate. We're talking agents running entire R&D projects or chatting with customers like it's nothing. And here's the big one: superintelligence. Some platforms, like Future House, are pushing toward AI that's smarter than humans in fields like science. But that comes with risks, like losing control if we're not careful. It's exciting, but we'll need humans in the loop to keep it grounded. Now, let's get real for a sec. Job insecurities. AI agents are so good, they're shaking things up. Experts say up to 36% of jobs could be automated, from coding to sales to even some management gigs. It's sparking debates about layoffs and burnout, like in that YouTube vid with Brett Weinstein. But here's the flip side. Agents could take over boring tasks, freeing us up for creative work and new roles. It's a mixed bag, and we've got to navigate it carefully. A few last things to think about. Ethics. Make sure your agents are fair and transparent. Scalability. Build them to grow without crashing. Privacy. Keep user data locked down. And always test for those weird edge cases. AI agents are tools to level up what humans can do, but we've got to use them right. Phew, that was a lot, right? AI agents are straight up changing the game. What's got you hyped about them? Drop it in the comments. If you loved this, Give it a like, share it with your techie friends, and hit subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.